everyone, this is MetaTrader. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Exness trading platform on your mobile device in 2026. If you're a beginner in forex and struggling to navigate the platform, or you don't understand how to connect your account to MetaTrader 4 or 5, or how to withdraw your funds, this video is exactly what you need. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started! Before we begin, you need to have the Exness account. Once your account is created and fully verified, this is what your dashboard will look like. Here, you'll see deposit, withdraw, trade, account details. Let me walk you through everything step by step. First, trading directly inside the app. You can trade without MetaTrader using the built-in platform. Click on Trade. Once your account is funded, you can simply choose Buy or Sell. But before trading, you need to deposit funds. Go to Deposit. Here you'll see multiple options: bank transfer, crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and other available methods depending on your region. Withdrawal work in the same way. You can withdraw using the same methods. Now, let's look at orders. Open shows your active trades. Pending shows orders that are waiting to be triggered. Closed shows your completed trades. Next, Insights. Here you'll find trading signals, market ideas, and new updates. Performance tab shows your balance and your equity. Profile. This is your settings. Here you can check verification, contact support, and manage your account. Now, let's create a trading account. Tap the plus icon or open account settings and click Create Account. You'll see different account types: Standard, Cent, Pro, Row Spread, Zero Spread. If you're a beginner, start with a standard account. Select the platform MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or the Exness app. Choose your currency, for example, USD. Set your leverage depending on your strategy. Add a nickname so you can easily manage multiple accounts. Create a password. It must include uppercase and lowercase letters, a number, and a special character. Once everything is correct, click Create Account. Now, let's connect your account to MetaTrader 5. Go to your account details and copy. Login, server, password. Open MetaTrader 5, tap New Account. Search for Exness and select the correct server. Enter your login and password, then tap Sign In. Once connected, you'll see your account and trading interface. Here, you can monitor your trades, your watch list, and market prices. That's it! Now you know how to use the Exness app, create an account, connect MetaTrader, and manage your trades. Start simple, practice on demo first, and always manage your risk. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. This is MetaTrader. See you in the next video.